it's all about the human body. If you are learning Bangla for fun or for any reason whatsoever, know your body parts in Bangla. Don't worry, even if you are a complete beginner, I'll utter each Bangla word slowly, explain its meaning, and use it in simple sentence. So let's begin. From the top of the head to the tips of the toes. Only 10 words today. Number 1, head, that is Maathaa. You see the spelling, I have used double A. Double A means you have to pronounce it as A sound. Maathaa. Maathaa means head. Example, আমার মাথা ব্যথা করছে. আমার মাথা, my head, ব্যথা করছে means aching. That means my head is aching, or I have a headache. Jay mal ala tet. This is the literal meaning of Maathaa. But there is a bonus word, doler Maathaa. That means head of a group. This is available in English also. He is the head of our group. You can say in Bengali, you say amader doler Maathaa. That means the leader. Then come to number 2, hair. Hair means Chul. Chul. You have your hair on the head. Tar chul khub lamba. This is an example of a sentence. Tar chul khub lamba. Tar chul, his or her hair. Khub lamba, very long. Tar chul khub lamba. Her hair is very long. Now, bonus word. Chulo chuli kora. It's a very nice idiomatic expression in Bengali. It means quarrel, pulling each other's hair. You know, you can imagine the scene. Somebody is pulling another person's hair and trying to quarrel or trying to fight. So fighting each other, holding each other's hair. Come to number 3, forehead, this part of your body. Forehead. Example, tomar kopale gham hocche means your forehead is sweating. Tomar kopale, your forehead, it's sweating. So tomar kopale gham hocche. Gham is sweat. Tomar kopale gham hocche, your forehead is sweating. Bonus, Kopal also means fate or destiny. So if somebody says Amar Kopal Kharab, it means I have bad luck. Amar Kopal Bhalu, I have good luck. Come to number 4, eye. Eye, you have 2 eyes. Chokh. Chokh, that is eye. Example, Tomar chokh khub sundar. Tomar chokh, your eyes. Khub sundar, very beautiful. Sundar means beautiful. Normally, you won't get the bhat part in such sentences. Tomar chokh khub sundar means Tomar chokh hoy khub sundar. Your eyes are very beautiful. Now bonus, chokhe chokhe rakha means keep an eye on somebody. Chokhe chokhe rakha. That means keep an eye on somebody. মেয়েটাকে চোখে চোখে রাখবে. That means keep an eye on the girl. Number 5, ear. This part that helps you get sounds from outside. So this is ear. Kaan. Kaan. আমার কানে চুলকানি হচ্ছে. This is a sentence. আমার কানে, in my ear. চুলকানি হচ্ছে means itching. That means my ears are itching. আমার কানে চুলকানি হচ্ছে. চুলকানি itching. My ears are itching. Bonus, কানাকানি করা. Very nice word, idiomatic use. That means somebody is talking to somebody, whispering. That means getting very closer to somebody's ears and talking so that others cannot hear. So this is just whispering. Kana kani kora. Number 6, nose. Nose means Naak in Bengali. Naak. Naak means nose. Example, Tar naak lamba. His nose is long. That means he has a long nose. Long means lamba. He has means tar ache. Now bonus, naak golano. This one is available in English also. Poke somebody's nose into somebody's affair. So naak golano is that. Or ব্যাপারে নাক গলাবে না. That means don't poke your nose in his matters. Naak golano. Remember this. Naak means nose, but naak golano means to interfere. Number 7, Mukh. Mukh is this part of your body. But in English, Mukh means mouth. Mukh dhue now. Mukh is mouth. Dhue now means wash. So wash your mouth means Mukh dhue now. Bonus, Mukh may refer to mouth and face also. This hollow part through which we take food, that is mouth, and the outer side of your mouth is face. That is also Mukh in Bangla. Now come to number 8, that is teeth. This part, teeth. Daant. In French it is Daant. In Bengali it is Daant. Doctor is talking to a child. Tomar daant dekhao. That means show your teeth. Tomar daant, your teeth. Dekhao, show. Tomar daant dekhao. Okay? And what about bonus? It is akkel daant. Akkel daant means wisdom teeth. In English, wisdom teeth. And in Bengali, akkel daant. Both expressions mean the same thing. Akkel daant and wisdom teeth. Now come to number 9, tongue. Tongue means Jibh in Bengali. Jibh or Juba. Jibh is, colloquial, Jibh. Amar Jibh pure geche. Amar Jibh, my tongue. Pure geche, got burned. Why? Maybe I took some very hot tea or coffee. That's why Amar Jibh pure geche. My tongue got burned. Bonus, Jibh samle kotha bolo. Jibh samle kotha bolo means take care while speaking. Don't speak irrelevant things. This may be a threat also. Somebody is talking nonsense and you try to threat him. Jibh samle kotha bolo. That means don't speak nonsense. Now come to the last word of today's session, that is neck, Golaa. Amar Golaa Maathaa. Amar Golaa Maathaa means I have a sore throat. Golaa means throat or neck. Amar Golaa Maathaa. Now Golaa may refer to neck, throat, and there is another meaning. That is the voice. When I say somebody has a very singing voice, in that case also we use Golaa. That means Tar ganer Golaa khub bhalo. That means he has a very nice singing voice. So Golaa means neck, Golaa means throat, and Golaa means voice. So now you know at least 10 Bangla words related to your body. Just look at your own body and try to utter Bengali names like Haat, Chokh, Kaan, etc. This is the fastest way to remember new words. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Bangla through English. In our next lesson, we'll have some more body words and their meanings. Until then, bidai, goodbye and happy learning.